This tutorial will show how to edit an auction for a Shopify store. From the dashboard, click View Auctions. The View Auctions button will lead to the Auctions Index view, where you can view all of the auctions that you have created. I'll click on the auction titled Test. Once the auction has loaded, we can see all the information that was previously entered for this auction. I'm going to quickly view what the auction currently looks like on an actual Shopify store. This will give me a better idea of what I'll be editing and what my changes may look like. Back to the Shopify admin, I'll just change the title to Add Ending Soon, and I'll change the starting price to $35, and I'll click Save. Once the auction has been saved, the changes may take a few moments to propagate and to be live online on your Shopify store. If we go back to the live URL and refresh the page, the changes may not be present on your store. And in this case, the changes have propagated rather quickly, and we see that the title has the ending soon appended onto or after the word test, and we see the starting bid has been changed from 30 to 35. And that's how you edit an auction for your Shopify store.